Welcome to Anu's Hobbies. So yesterday I have posted a video of painting on tissues, the evening sky scenery, right? Hope all of you seen it. I have 6 views in it. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to playing jigsaw puzzle. So let's get started. It's my game. So I'm going to tell you one thing actually. So actually I didn't download this game which I'm showing right now. I'm in what I can say. Actually, I am using paint by number, right? In the some events like jigsaw puzzles will be coming, so that's what. So that's why it came. So today we are going to do in this jigsaw puzzle this one. So how many pieces we want you can take, but I don't want to take this many, not 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 only this many pieces, and click on start. This time I need to play so carefully. So some of them have a doubt, right? It's my channel name is Anu's Hobbies Zone, but why I am doing different videos to you, right? So actually it's Anu's Hobbies Zone. It's Hobby Zone. So I will be having many hobbies, right? So I can send them like that. I'm posting the videos. No, it's a tricky. I don't know that when I will be completing this one. Now it's a bit easy, only a bit, not more. See here on Instagram. We need to wait till the end. What's happening?
Like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade stunner.
Oh. So I am completing it. Only some. So I have completed this. Oh my god. So you need to click on climb. Oh no, I have this much. Then click on next. If you want to do this one, you can. If you don't want to do this one, you can't. You can click on cancel. So here daily puzzles will be there. So here I have these many puzzles. Daily puzzles are categories. We need to go to categories, landmarks, food, colors. If you want any pets, so you need to click on pets. I think color clocked. See, this is unlocked. These all are unlocked. This is also, and my puzzles, if you haven't complete any puzzle properly, it will be coming like this. I have completed only 1%, 3%, and 83%. So this is about my JASA puzzle. So please like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the bell button near subscriber button. Bye all my friends.